My name's Debra Thornton. I'm the library manager. I probably don't need to tell you what a library is. You've been studying for a long, long time now, so you know what libraries are all about. So really, basically, what I wanted to just share with you this morning is the fact that, you know, we're a teaching hospital, we're a learning organisation, and, you know, the sad fact is, I don't want to dwell on this too much, and I don't want to be too negative, but, you know, the NHS is under a lot of pressure at the moment. So what I'm really saying is, it's up to you to take charge of your own learning. And we've got some resources in the library that can help you do that, and that's what I want to sort of share with you this morning. Has anybody heard of Up to Date? Yeah. Have you used Up to Date? Have you got it on your phone? Did you know that you can download the app onto your phone? So if you want to get your phones out and do it now, I don't mind. The sooner you get it onto your phone, the better, really. What you will need to do is register on a trust computer. Obviously not every hospital has access to Up to Date, so you need to register, set up your own personal profile, and once you've done that, and then you've got the app on your phone, you can just log into your personal profile on your phone, and then you've got it wherever you want, anytime you need access to Up to Date. For those of you who haven't used Up to Date, it's a very easy to use clinical decision support system. So if it's sort of 2 o'clock in the morning, you've got a patient that you're not quite sure what to do with, you've got an idea what to do, there's no one around to ask, Up to Date is quite a useful resource to go to, just to confirm what you might need to do with that patient. So you can download the app onto your phone, set up your own personal profile on a trust computer, and away you go. If you're actually in the trust and on a trust computer, you've not got your phone with you or your battery's died or something like that, you can get access to Up to Date directly from the trust intranet, from the systems access, the blue search box on the right hand side. Up to Date's down there at the bottom. You don't need to log in at all with that, it's just direct access into Up to Date. And we're also looking to embed it into the ward tracker that we've got at the moment, so that there'll be a search button on there so you can just go straight into Up to Date. So, have you used Up to Date? Has anybody used Up to Date? Is it useful? Is it something that you like to use? Yeah, good. So, for those of you who haven't, it might be worthwhile exploring that. That just tells you a little bit about what it is. It's updated regularly, it's written by experts, and basically, it's better than Google. Another resource that we've got is Clinical Key. Has anybody ever used Clinical Key? Either at this trust or at another trust? No, I'm quite surprised when people say they haven't. It is fairly new, it's from Elsevier. And I don't know if you know, Elsevier publish a lot of the core textbooks, the training textbooks. And they also publish all the Lancet journals as well. Clinics of North America, those sorts of things. So it is an excellent resource. And again, you can get it direct access from the trust intranet, from the systems access page, and you can also download an app onto your phone. So if you get a chance, download the Clinical Key app. There's a leaflet about it here that tells you all about how to do that. Again, you need to register on a trust computer first of all. These resources are quite expensive resources, so you can't get them freely, you know, anywhere you go. So because we've got them here at Blackpool, you need to register on a Blackpool computer to say that you belong to Blackpool Hospital. And then you can access it on your phone. Once you've put your password in, you know how clever phones are these days, it remembers your password for you, so you don't need to do it again. All you need to do with both Up to Date and Clinical Key is remember to log on to a trust computer every 90 days, just to validate that you do still belong here, that you still live here, you're still working with us. So every 90 days you just need to do that. If you're into research at all, we do some training courses on critical appraisal. It's probably not forefront of your mind right now, this moment, but if you are interested in research, we can teach you, all about the different types of research studies, how to critically appraise research, and as you probably know, we've got a really good research department here, so you might want to actually get into doing research yourself. We are a learning organisation, we are an evidence-based organisation, and we do encourage you to take part in research, to get involved in research, and to be role models for your junior colleagues, to be constantly learning and constantly researching. We also have a clinical librarian service, so if you need to do an in-depth literature search and you haven't got time to do it, we can do that for you. These are just some of the searches that Michael's done recently for various people. So, the library's there for you to use. We're down at the end of the corridor in the Education Centre. I do hope that you'll come and visit us and come and say hello. And I do hope that you'll try out Up to Date and Clinical Care. Have a look at those and see how they can help your learning. I'm going to offer some drop-in sessions over the next 3 weeks. So if anybody's got any problems accessing those resources or want to see what's in there, you can come in and I'll show you how to do that. And that's all I'm going to say really. I think you know what a library's all about. I just hope you'll pop down and say hello to us, and I hope you'll use our resources, and I hope you have a good time over here with us. Thank you. Thank you.